Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 23rd March 2025. Start with the citizens are losing trust in the Indian judiciary, say former Chief Justice of India Ramanan. South State seeks freeze on Lok Sabha seat count for 25 years. Jan- Janpeet Awards bring with it a sense of responsibility, say Vinod Kumar Shukla. CGI forms panel for deeper probe against Delhi judge. SARC is not off the table, Jaishankar tell panel. Budget will focus on women, civic apathy, infra development, say CM. Farmer burns Man's efficacies over evictions, police actions. Uttarakhand DM asked to transfer students to recognize madrasas. Arelkas object to Savarkar banner at Calcutta University. Sule Slame Air India over the flight delay, we pay premium fares. Dip in parliamentary seats will disempower people of state. Stalin. Men injured in Nagpur riot, dead. CM says city now calm. Tawashu, the fourth Kirwa class steel frigate, launch into water. India-France naval exercise off go focus on anti-submarine warfare. Properties of LTE militant demolished in Anantnag police. India was aware of anti-Hasina wave but could not interfere. Constitution will ensure peace return fully to Manipur, SC Judge. Rama Rao proposed delimitations based on physical contribution. Fertilizers Committee warned Ministry against underfunding of nutrition subsidy scheme. Looking for ties with India's veracities, Irish Education Minister. Kerala to look east include China, Australia to increase prospective in foreign tourism. CUT UG application data extended after glitch on website. Bank IPO and the greatest boomerang of the decade. PLI scheme 2 investments worth 1.6 lakh crore government. Ola Electric layoff rattles India's growing EV sector's job market. No mismatch between circulating flu strain and vaccine strain. Why is uploading voting data is a challenge? How do astronauts recoup after space stay? Return of spacewalker. Peace searches. The Indian postdoctoral researchers at Georgetown University has been detained in the US for promoting anti-Semitic rhetoric and Hamas propaganda. History maker, from taking a decisions on the ban on Russia and Belarus to work with Trump ahead of LA 2028, the first woman president of International Olympic Committee has her task to cut out. Israeli target Hezbollah in heaviest strike in Lebanon since ceasefire. Army make gain seize key buildings in Khatradum. US reveal legal status of 5 lakh immigrants as Trump sticks to his policy. UK Heathrow Airport fully operational after first shutdown. Pakistan detained leading women Luch rights activists after protest. Russia say an unfriendly state planned 2024 concert hall attack. Trump revoke security clearance of Biden and other senior aides. More than 348 held for mass protest in Turkey. Law plays fundamental role in shaping society that has been changing. Law must be evolved to keep with the advancement of AI. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.